very warm and heartfelt greeting to every one of you. My name is Sinha Khushbu. I am from class 12 Commerce. It is with immense pleasure and excitement that I stand before you. I would like to introduce one of the most unforgettable personality in our freedom history, Anant Lakshman Kanhere, a true son of Mother India. He blazed a trail of resistance against the oppressive British rule, leaving an remarkable mark on the pages of history. He sacrificed his life at the age of 18 years. Anant Lakshman Kanhere was an Indian independence fighter. On 21 December 1909, he shot at collector of Nasik in British India. The murder of Jackson was an important event in the history of Nasik and Indian revolutionary movement. Anant Lakshman Kanhere was born in 1891 at post Brahmanwadi, Ayani, a small village in Khed Taluka at Ratnagiri district. He had 2 brothers and 2 sisters. He completed his primary education in Nizamabad and his English education took place in Aurangabad. Later, Anant wrote a novel about Mitra Prem, about his friendship he developed at that time. Anant came in contact with the member of secret revolutionary group at that time and get attracted towards their work. Many secret revolutionary organizations were formed in Nasik guided by Babarao Savarkar and Krishnaji Gopal Karve, who was popularly called by Anna Karve. Anna Karve was a young lawyer who is inspired to do something for our motherland. Another member, Vinayak Deshpande, who was also one of the main accused murder case of Jackson. He was teacher in English medium school in Panchvati, Nasik. On 21 December 1909, Jackson came to see a play, Sangeet Sarda. Anant jumped in front of him and shot him 4 bullets. Jackson was killed immediately at that time. One of the Indian officer, Mr. Pal Shikhar, and former DSP, Mr. Marut Rao, attacked him with his baton. Other officer caught Anant, so he was not able to shoot himself and get a poison. Anant Kanhere, a 18-year-old boy, was prosecuted in Bombay court and hanged in Thane prison on 19 April 1910. As we bid farewell to this humble tribute to Anant Lakshman Kanhere, may his undying spirit of patriotism continue to ignite our heart, driving us to build a nation that he and other freedom fighters envision. A nation that stands tall in its independence and principles of justice, truth and compassion. Now, I would like to conclude my speech with a शायरी. वतन पर जो फिदा होगा, अमर वो हर नौजवान होगा, रहेगी जब तक दुनिया ये, अफसाना उसका बयां होगा. जय हिंद, जय भारत.